Y'all already know what time it is. Today in this one, look, guys, we got a new mouse and keyboard, guys. This is the Red Thunder. Oh, by the way, guys, this is my chat. This is my chat right here, guys. So I am doing this live, doing a live box opening review. Okay, this is my chat right here. All right, so we do go live every single day at 1 p.m. CST, guys, on Twitch. So I'm gonna leave it down low in the description below. All right, I'm gonna leave the link down low in the description. So again, excuse me if I'm like repeating everything. Okay, guys, this is live. Okay, I'm telling you, this is live. It's not scripted. This is live. So we do have the Red Thunder 60% with the what is it, the what is that called? Oh, you will see right now. It's like a hive, like a hexagon. Oh, y'all are gonna see. Yo, don't you mean one? Yeah, 1 p.m. CST. 1 p.m. CST, Abril. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Okay, this is gonna be our first time. See, we just got it. It's sealed up, literally sealed. So let's go. Honeycomb. There we go. It's called Honeycomb. My bad. So let's get this bad boy opened up. So as you could see, guys, we are opening. Can we open it? Yeah, first time review. So boom, we just popped that bad boy off, and then I literally just got it delivered, guys. Just got it delivered. So it's gonna be new to me too. It's gonna be new to me too. And on top of that, guys, I feel like reviews should be like this, like live, you know what I mean? Like live recorded, basically, so that everybody could see that, they didn't just open it before and they were like, oh, like, yeah, like this is what I'm gonna say. Cause really, I'm about to see it for myself for the first time too. All right, so it just comes in a little package like that. I'm taking it out of the box. Oh, it's kind of light. Oh, it's kind of, whoa, it's kind of heavy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Kind of heavy. I'm putting it down right here. And then the mouse. This is what I'm looking forward to. I'm not looking at it, guys. This is what I'm looking forward to. All right, this is what I'm looking forward to. So throw that bad boy over there. So, all right. First things first, guys. First things first. We want to see. Do y'all want to see the mouse or the keyboard? You know what? Let's just do the mouse. So, the mouse. Oh. So this is the mouse. This is the mouse right here. It's all honeycomb. This is what I mean by honeycomb. Okay? This is what I mean by honeycomb. Do y'all see that? That's crazy. That's crazy, right? All right, so we'll turn it on together, okay? We'll turn them both on together. All right. So that's the mouse. All right. That mouse is kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. Look, guys, it fits right into my hand. It fits perfectly, literally perfect. My hand's about this size compared to my face. It's about that size, so pretty decent size, I guess. I wear like a medium-sized glove. You know what I mean? Not a large-sized glove. I wear a medium-sized glove. You know what I mean? So, and it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly in my fingers. All right. Wow. Yeah, I really like that. Even whenever I'm moving it around, it's moving kind of smooth. It does have like a little bumpy feeling. Not gonna lie, it has like a little bumpy feeling a little bit. But the weight. The main thing that I'm like thinking about right now is the weight. The weight's it's a little heavy compared to this other one that I have, because I have this one right now as well. I have this one. So this one compared to this, look, like they look the same, right? But I don't know. This one feels a little bit more heavier than this one. I don't know. All right, guys. So now we're gonna open up this bad boy. Y'all ready? Oh, shit. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Oh. Just kidding, guys. So, this is the 60% 60% keyboard. Okay. Well, the Red Thunder 60% keyboard. All right. The reason why it's 60%, if you guys don't know, because I barely learned this too. All right, is because it doesn't have like all the extra keys on there, like F1. How it has F1. F1 would be up here. Compare it. Example. Look, watch this, guys. You see this one? This is the 100% one. It has F1 up top, all that, and this is the one I got. Y'all see that? So this one's more of like a gaming one right here. You see the comparison? You see that? That's how it is. It doesn't have the whole side on this side, on the left side. Like all the numbers and stuff this side right here. It doesn't have all of that on this one. You see that? Alright. So next. Now we're gonna turn these bad boys on. Oh, and it comes with a little card. Let's read the card. Let's see what it says. Did they give us a gift card? Imagine they give us a gift card. Yo, wait. First, guys, hold up. Yo, thank all of y'all for freaking tuning in, guys. If y'all are new and y'all have not dropped a freaking sub yet, guys, what are we doing right now? What are we doing? Guys, it takes 2 seconds. It'll be right under this video, guys. All right? So please, y'all be sure to go ahead and drop that sub right now, guys, and smash that freaking like button, because that like button is amazing and you want to give it love, all right? And you want to give it some love. The freaking like button. All right? Because I love all of you guys. That's why. If I love you guys, y'all got to love the like button. Just kidding. All right, so it comes with little stickers too. They say Red Thunder, and then it also comes with like a little user manual as well, so that you could change the colors and stuff like that. Special key descriptions, packaging list, how to change the colors. Y'all see that? Nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna hold on to this so that we could change the colors right now. Y'all hear me? Oh, look, what is this? That's cool. Yo, it says, "Dear customer, thank you for purchasing your product." What? Bruh, this makes no sense. Just kidding. It says, "Thank you for purchasing your product at Red Thunder. We hope that our products will bring you a pleasant experience. If you have any problems with our products, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to solve all problems for you." All right. Cool. Thanks. Cool and thanks. I didn't even finish reading the whole thing because I was like, man, I don't even need to really read it. You know, like, thank you, but you know, that don't mean I'll buy from you again. No, just kidding. All right, so we have it. It's now connected. We're about to turn the bad boy on right now. Are y'all ready, guys? Are y'all ready? This is the keyboard turning on, guys. Keyboard turning on. Oh, rain dance, baby. Yo, rain dance, baby. Yo, we're gonna turn off the light. Here, we're gonna show you with the light off. Y'all ready? Oh, rain dance, baby. Rain dance, baby. Let's go. Yo, that's kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys. Yo, let's try out these different moods. What do y'all say? Not the different. They're not moods, but y'all know what I mean. So backlight off. Switch the backlight mode. FN and K. So FN and K. So this is the next one. Oh, wait, hold on. Damn, that hole's kind of far. Are y'all ready? Oh, perps. Oh, pink. Yo, let's see. Let's just keep switching. Oh, we could keep it one color. Oh. right, bet. So guys, all right. With that being said, that was that's the keyboard. That's the keyboard. Yo, blue, my lord. Yeah. That's amazing. That's way better than the other one. What's way better? Oh, yeah, it sure is. Look. All right, now turning it on. Oh, and it changes colors. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, we almost dropped it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, all right. So, this is it in the dark. And on the inside, it says Red Thunder. I don't know if y'all can see that. On the inside, this light right here, it says Red Thunder. I know the little hoes can't see that, but Red Thunder. It says that inside. But yeah, this is the mouse right here. This is a good size mouse. I really like this mouse. It's pretty nice. So it changes colors. And also too, I just found out you could make it go fast. You could change the speed on it. Alright, so with the speed is J and U. You see that? Look, watch. Now it's stopped. Look, watch. I can make it go fast. Yo, look at that. This hella distracting, I ain't gonna lie to you. But great for looks. It looks nice. It looks real nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, nice. And it feels good. Yup. Yes, sir. Alright, great. Alright, we're gonna turn back on the light, guys. We are going to need to well, yeah, guys, I'm still gonna need to do like a video showing it happening, I guess, or actually the way it sounds. Okay, look. All right, guys, look. This is how loud it sounds. Look, I'm typing it. My mic is right here. Okay, I'm putting it close, kind of close to the mic. I don't know how to do this for you. So, okay, so I'm gonna hold it. Like that. Putting the thing close. Those are the mouse clicks. Alright. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but they were kind of low. I like that. Oh, they feel good. They feel real good. Good. Alright. Great. That's what I like to hear. That is what I